Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 27th September 2020. Today's Abhyaktvani title is the Be Constantly Loving. Love is the foundation of Brahmin life. Love is the basis of the sustenance needed to create a powerful life. All the elevated souls who have arrived personally in front of the Father have come here on the basis of their love. Those who are constantly loving are merged in love. They are always beyond having to make any effort or experiencing difficulty. Neither do they have to make effort nor do they experience anything to be difficult. Because they are constantly loving, the elements of nature and Maya become their servants from now on. That is, the constantly loving souls become the masters. Therefore, the elements of nature and Maya automatically become their servants. The second type, the loving souls definitely remain loving, but because they are not constant, their thoughts and through them their love sometimes go in other directions. In transforming themselves, every now and again they experience having to make effort and sometimes they experience difficulty, but very little. The third type are those who fulfill the responsibility of love according to the time. Such souls believe that true love cannot be received from anyone except the one Father, and that this spiritual love will make you elevated for all time. All three types of children are loving children. They all have the title of being loving children, but they are number-wise. Those who love this study remain constantly powerful. To have love for the Father, that is, for the Murlidhar, means to have love for the Murli. If you don't have love for the Murli, there cannot be love for the Murlidhar. Blessing. May you be a merciful world benefactor who gives courage and enthusiasm to every soul. Never say to a weak soul in the Brahmin family, "You are weak." Constantly let good words for every soul emerge from the lips of you merciful world benefactor children, not words which would dishearten anyone. No matter how weak some may be, if you have to give them a signal or teaching, first of all make them powerful and then give them the teaching. First of all, plug the field with courage and enthusiasm and then sow the seeds, and each seed will then easily bear fruit. By doing this, the service of world benefit will become fast. Slogan: take blessings from the Father and experience being constantly full. Om Shanti.